Hey everyone! Today we have a 5-minute quick morning routine that will make you ready for the day. Before you start, don't forget to wash your hands and moisturize your skin. First exercise is forehead lift. With your fingertips, start to lift on your forehead, over your brows, upwards towards your scalp. Keep doing this for 10 times. This move will boost blood circulation on the forehead area and start the lymphatic drainage. By opening the lymph nodes, it will release the tension in the forehead muscles and help you to relax. Next exercise is temple massage. This is one of the most effective moves to open up lymph nodes that are located in the temple area. With this move, you will reduce any puffiness in the eye area and relax your eyes. It will also help to reduce any eye area wrinkles like crow's feet. Keep massaging with your fingertips gently for 30 seconds. Next move is eye area press. With 2 fingers, start to press firmly, starting from the sides of your nose, going over your cheeks, up onto your temples. Don't go too close to the under eye area. Your pressure should be hard, but keep doing this exercise slowly for 30 seconds. This easy yet effective exercise will boost blood circulation in this area, and as a result, it will give you a glowing skin. It will reduce puffiness and dark circles in the eye area. Next move is for smile lines. Again, with 2 fingers, start to slide over your cheeks from the sides of your nose towards the sides of your face. Slide gently and smoothly for 10 times. This move immediately will boost blood circulation, and you can see that your skin will get red as you are doing this move. It will reduce smile lines and sculpt and lift the cheekbones. Next move is nose massage. With your knuckles, start to massage on the sides of your nose for 30 seconds. Be gentle and slow while you are doing this move. Next move is for lip corners. For this move, purse your lips to mimic kissing and then widen your lips as you are laughing with your mouth closed. Keep doing this for 30 seconds slowly. While you are doing this exercise, focus on the move and feel the muscles working. This move will help with the lip corners to lift, cheeks to lift and sculpt. It will also lift sagging jowls and reduce buccal fat and work on the mouth muscles overall. Next move is for mouth muscles. With the tip of your tongue, start to slide around your lips internally. You should try to draw circles around your lips. Move with your tongue in circular motion clockwise for 10 times. This exercise is one of the most effective exercises to work on the mouth muscles internally and also reduce any wrinkles, especially barcode lines on the lips. Now move with your tongue in circular motion counterclockwise for 10 times. Next exercise is neck lift. Put your hands on your collarbones and start to lift your neck by looking up to the ceiling and then coming back and looking to the ground. Keep doing this slowly for 10 times. While you are doing this move, you should feel a little stretch and lift in your neck. So this was it for today's energetic morning routine. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.